During the presidential campaign, Donald Trump suggested there was a big bubble in the stock market about to burst. Former Federal Reserve Chair Alan Greenspan is sounding the alarm about the booming stock market. He said we have a stock market bubble and we have a bond market bubble. Saw a lot of volatility this week with the markets. Guru, do you believe that there's a bubble in the stock market and the bond market?
Well, this is very interesting. Alan Greenspan is certainly a very, very smart man, and many people have been talking about a bubble in the market. So let me tell you what Greenspan and some others are saying and why related to this bubble and what's causing it. So we have a very fast-growing annual deficit and national debt right now. No secret, and there's no end in sight, and there's no plan to take it down. We also have a red-hot economy that is growing at this point in time, and that means with the red-hot economy, that's going to cause interest rates to rise. Now, what impact is that going to have? Well, when interest rates are rising, people are going to look for safer places to invest their money rather than the stock market, because you'll have bonds and savings accounts paying interest rates that will be quite safe as opposed to the risk compared in the stock market. The other thing about rising interest rates is that's going to make interest payments on our national debt rise, and that is a very, very bad thing. So rates being so low for so long a period of time, King, people really didn't have any options in terms of getting a return on their money. The stock market was the only place to go. When they have options, and those options appear to be safe to them, they're going to look to put their money elsewhere, and that's going to be very, very detrimental to Wall Street. And quite frankly, a lot of this is being driven by the spending in Washington, which is very, very dangerous to our country. So is there a bubble? I think there is. How big is that bubble? I don't know, and I certainly don't know when and if it will burst. But we're seeing corrections in the market with the discussion of rising interest rates. So to me, this is the beginning of some type of correction, both in the bond and the stock market.
Finance guru Dan Geltrude every Saturday morning at 8:45. Have a great rest of the weekend, Guru, and we'll talk to you next week.
Thank you, King.
Thank you so much.